my funky button that don't work. Ooh. That's quite accurate, isn't it? I need to get Pave Tool's quickie laser rod.
You might be using one of these laser rods on your job sites, and it's probably one of the cheapest tools you own, but it can create the most costly mistakes to deal with. Everyone has one, and they're usually the cheap ones. They're flimsy, the numbers are complicated, they fade over time, the buttons get stuck and don't come out, and worst of all, it's not accurate. So the small amount that you're off compounds as you go up in elevations, which goes back to the costly mistakes. When you're off on elevations, you have to start over. It can cost you days on a job site. And that is why we invented the laser rod. It solves all the problems we just talked about and makes things much easier. So you may wonder, why did I say it's easy? Well, you're gonna bring your laser up to that 0 point on the laser rod, and now all of your math is based off of 0. It has a telescoping foot in the inside here with a tightening knob. So we can adjust that, go to the door sill, beep, beeping solid. Our laser receiver is at 0. So all of your math now is done, again, off that 0 point. And you're all familiar, being on a job site, someone walks by, kicks the legs where the laser's sitting on, you start that math all over again. With that 0, simply go over, make the adjustment, math is already done, it's all set and ready to go. It makes it very simple. Again, accuracy in this, very accurate, there's no play in the rod, it's made out of aluminum, it's durable, and all the increments are etched in it. So there's no wearing of material here where you can't read those increments. It's very clear and concise, easy to adjust, and durable. We all know when you're out on the job site, you need durability. This might be a good time to check emails. One other feature we want to talk about, there's a 0 point at the top of the rod, and you can take the rod and flip it over and get 0 on the bottom. So depending on your project, the height and elevation, if you're going down a ways or up a ways, you have 67 inches of difference that you have within this rod. We hear from contractors all the time about the efficiencies of the laser rod, not having to go back and rework projects and redo them, and best of all, trusting each of their employees to be able to do the heights and elevations on a complex job site. Voila, that easy. So let's run through a scenario, which you're probably familiar, and why using this laser rod is gonna make a difference for your team. You're on a job site, you're building a retaining wall. You get to the top of the retaining wall and you find out your heights and elevations were off. What do you have to do? You have to take the retaining wall, take it back down, and rebuild it. So you have 2 days to do that. You're gonna tear it down one day, rebuild the next day, 3-man crew, 10-hour days, going out at $100 an hour. It's about $3 grand a day. That's $6 grand total that you lost in profit. So if you can relate to that, it's time to make a switch. Check down the description below for the link that'll bring you to our website. You can also go to your local dealer. They'll have these in stock. If you like this video and you want to see more on even a retaining wall install and how to efficiently do that, watch the video on the screen. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate your time.
You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.